This tutorial is to get the UserId in Roblox. The UserId is a player property that's uniquely and consistently identifies every user account on Roblox. Username can be changed in the Roblox but not the UserId. By default, after login, Roblox will show the list of recommended games. Let's click on my username to get the UserId. This id will be displayed in the Roblox URL. This will be the integer number and have many digits. In the same way, we can find out the UserId of our Roblox friends or other players by just clicking on their account reference. This Roblox UserId will be unique for each Roblox account. Like you have your mobile number that is unique in this world, or same mobile number cannot be assigned to any other subscriber. This Roblox UserId is used by the Roblox gaming developer to read, update and store the information of Roblox user. Now this tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.